In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of setting up a Roth IRA with an initial deposit of $1,000. We'll delve into what a Roth IRA is, discuss its advantages and disadvantages, and explain why it can be a valuable tool for most individuals. Of course, I won't leave you hanging. I'll demonstrate the step-by-step process of opening a live Roth IRA account to empower you to do it on your own. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Let's kick things off by breaking down what exactly a Roth IRA is. Think of it as a specialized retirement account designed for investing and growing your wealth to secure your financial future. But don't confuse it with an investment itself like stocks, bonds, real estate, or ETFs. It's more like a holding account for those investments. In essence, a Roth IRA functions like a regular brokerage account, but it comes with the significant tax advantages that we'll discuss shortly. That leads us to the first advantage. Roth IRAs are tax-free. Picture this. You have two accounts, a standard brokerage account, and a Roth IRA. You've diligently invested in both for 30 to 40 years, and they've both grown to $1 million. However, the brokerage account will not be truly worth $1 million due to taxes. You might end up with around $600,000 to $500,000 depending on your location. On the other hand, the Roth IRA's full $1 million remains intact because it shelters all your capital gains and profits from taxes, making it the Roth IRA's biggest advantage. The next benefit is the ability to withdraw your contributions at any time, even before retirement. It's essential to differentiate between your contributions, the money you put into your Roth IRA, and the earnings generated by your investments. If you need to retrieve the amount you originally put in, say $1,000, there's no problem or penalty. However, if your $1,000 grew to $1,500 due to investment gains, you can't touch the extra $500 as it's considered capital gains. Taking that $500 would lead to taxation and a 10% early withdrawal fee imposed by the IRS. The final advantage is that Roth IRAs don't have required minimum distributions or RMDs. Unlike other tax-deferred retirement accounts, such as 401ks or traditional IRAs, Roth IRAs don't force you to start withdrawing a minimum amount after turning 72. This flexibility allows your investments to grow and compound for an extended period, potentially leading to significant gains. Now let's discuss the downsides of a Roth IRA. The first drawback is the relatively low maximum contribution limits. When compared to other retirement accounts like the 401k, which permits contributions of $20,500 or $27,000 if you're over 50, the Roth IRA has much lower annual contribution limit of only $6,000 or $7,000 for those over 50. Another limitation is income limits. Depending on your earnings, your contribution limits may decrease, and if your income exceeds a certain threshold, you might become ineligible for a Roth IRA. These income thresholds can vary based on your marital status and tax filing method, and they change regularly. The final consideration, which some may view as a disadvantage, is that Roth IRAs require you to pay taxes upfront. This means that the money you contribute to your Roth IRA has already been taxed by the IRS before going into the account. It's a different taxation approach compared to a 401k, where contributions are not taxed initially, but withdrawals are. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Now let's transition to the practical aspect of opening a Roth IRA. You can open one with most reputable brokerage firms, including Fidelity, Vanguard, Charles Schwab, and M1 Finance. Your choice should align with your personal preference, but if I had to recommend my top 3, I'd go with Fidelity, Vanguard, and M1 Finance in that order. For this demonstration, I'll use Fidelity, but the process is generally similar across brokers. Step 1 involves opening your chosen brokerage account. You can visit the brokerage's website or download their mobile app and then proceed to open an account. Ensure you select the Roth IRA option when prompted. If you're an existing customer, you can sign in to expedite the process. If you're a new customer, you'll need to provide some personal and financial information, agree to relevant investment documents, and follow the standard procedure required by all brokers. After successfully creating your account, the next step is to fund your Roth IRA and make your initial contribution. Remember, you're not obliged to make a contribution immediately. You can choose to fund it at a later time. Once your Roth IRA is established and funded, it's time to select your investments. Amidst the sea of investment options, I recommend focusing on one: index funds. These funds offer diversified exposure to a wide range of stocks, providing a straightforward way to build wealth without extensive market knowledge. The best index funds for Roth IRAs are those offering broad exposure to the entire U.S. stock market. For example, Fidelity's FSCACS or Vanguard's VTSCS can serve this purpose. The former holds approximately 3,875 stocks, including major companies like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, and Tesla. If you're with a different broker like Vanguard or M1 Finance, they will have their own equivalent total market index funds or ETFs to consider. Now, on to step 4, where you'll actually buy your chosen investments. Access your brokerage's trade feature and select the desired index fund or ETF, ensuring you have chosen your Roth IRA account for the transaction. Enter the amount you want to invest, review the details, and confirm your purchase. Keep in mind that index fund orders are executed once per day, typically at 4 p.m., unlike stocks or ETFs, which execute immediately during market hours. And that's a wrap for this guide. I appreciate you watching, and I hope this video was helpful in your journey to financial security. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.